Hi, today I'd like to use this 3/8 inch rod to make an arrowhead. I don't remember ever making an arrowhead. I remember making a spear point, so I'll just kind of go about it, play it by ear, see what happens. Thinking this anvil will come in handy, I secured it down to the stump with a lag screw through the pritchel hole. I need to give a shout out to three guys for their recent donations: Sonny M.O. Belson, Jerry S. Hodges, and Corey Backlund. I really appreciate it, especially at a time like this. Thanks very much, fellas. I also want to give a special shout out to Ken Bullock up in Canada for his patience and his kind consideration. And also, if you want to check him out, he has a YouTube channel, and it's Ken's Maple Leaf Forge. Thanks very much. Here you can get a quick idea of how I'm seated, and I surround myself with whatever tools I think will be necessary for the project I'm working on. Hey, no helper, no holdfast, no problem. I really do have to make a holdfast though. This should be called full body blacksmithing. In this way, I'm trying to center the flattened area on the middle of the bar. Why, I have no idea. Just seems like the right thing to try. Keep in mind that I use many of these projects as my fun time for blacksmithing, a break from my normal routine. Really, the main reason I wanted to do this project is because I just wanted to use this horn. It's taken me seemingly forever and a day to make one simple arrowhead, but keep in mind that blacksmithing is like most everything. The more you practice something, the more proficient you'll become. And although our movements need to be quick, since each heat only lasts so long, that doesn't mean that you need to be in a rush. Catch you guys next time.